Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So, every day we have been getting profitable trades as per our MST iCore 2.0 premium indicator. And especially in Bank Nifty and crude oil, we are getting continuous profit. Though we are not telling you that every day we will get the profit, but as per the indicator, every day we are getting the profit. Now let me show you from the initial settings how to use our MST iCore 2.0 indicator. See here, if you are new to our system, please subscribe to our indicator. Also subscribe to our MST School of Trading YouTube channel as well as Telegram channel. Now at the left bottom, you will see three dot buttons. You select that and you have to give reset settings every day before you start trading for the day. Now this is the trading. So now come here. I will do bar replay so that you will understand better. So now I am running the market. Now market has just opened and immediately our lines are formed. Okay. So you can keep in 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, maximum 15 minutes you can keep. Now we got our lines. So when it comes to 9223, we will be buying. If it is going to 9323, we will be selling. So initially it will be with small stop loss and small target, but we don't want to lose more in the market. So let me keep it tiny stop loss and tiny targets. So per day 2000 to 3000 rupees, it is very easy to earn. So now come here, I'm running the market. So market is in between the buy entry and sell entry. If the market is in between the buy entry and sell entry, it is called as no trading zone. So when it comes to our first buy entry, then buy zone will be activated. If it is going to first sell entry, that is 9323, our sell will be activated. So in between, there should be no trade. So whichever side it gets activated, only that side we have to trade, other side we have to ignore. Don't forget to enter at the appropriate level. Okay. The buy means only how to buy only at 9223. 3 points extra risk you can take like 9226. If the market is not coming to 9223, then 3 points extra risk you can take. Don't take more risk than rupees 300 rupees. So 300 rupees risk is applicable for all the script like Bank Nifty, natural gas, copper, everything. So just I'm increasing the speed. Yeah. Now our buy got activated and it has given the low of 9214. Our entry is at 9223. So come here and select the settings and enable the first buy targets and remove first sell and second buy and enable second sell and second sell target. Why I am enabling the second sell and second sell target? Because I don't know whether the market will come to 9244 after the buy entry at 9223 or it will hit my stop loss at 9202. If stop loss is hit, what you have to do? We have to immediately reverse the trade at 9202 for the target of 9182. Okay, this should be an advanced pending order. Don't forget. Now again I am running the market. So as per our prediction, market is going up only. Our first target hit. So it is going to second target. Second target also hit. And it is going to third target. And third target almost hit. So third target was 9286 and the high made 9282. 9282. So that's all. So our trade got over in first target itself. So if you are a disciplined trader, you can revise the stop loss and you can wait for the remaining targets. Don't forget. So this is how we have to trade. This is one kind of trade. Then what about the second one? The second one, come to the iCore indicator settings. Here again go to reset settings, and instead of default market type, keep evening market type. Here also you keep tiny SL and tiny targets. So now you see what happened. I am removing this. See here, I am once again doing bar replay for the evening market, which is to be traded after 5 o'clock, which is to be traded after 5 o'clock. So market is running now. If market is coming to 9124 first, we will be buying. If market is going to 9241, we will be selling. In between, there is no trade as per the evening market. So let me show you which side it comes first. If it is coming to 9241, we are ready with the sell order. See here. Now it is not reached to buy entry 9124, but it has reached to sell entry, that is 9241. So exactly our sell entry got activated. So now what we have to do, come here, go to settings and remove the first buy, enable first sell target, second buy, second sell targets. And immediately two targets have been hit in just 3 minutes, and three targets hit another 3 minutes. Third target hit immediately. That's all. Our all the targets have been hit in both the entries. So morning we got buy entry, all the targets hit. In the evening market we got sell entry, all the targets hit. That's all. So no other indicator will give you such an accurate entry both the side. So if you want to trade once, book the profit and exit from the market. So if you are a trader, only you can trade only in the evening after 5 o'clock, then you can use evening market also. So this is very simple. So the same scenario will be applicable for all the market like equity, commodity, forex market type, everything. We have given various options here that you can go through. See here, default, noon, evening, night, NSE tomorrow, MCX tomorrow, all those types we have given. Whichever you want, you can trade according to your risk appetite. And SL also we have given various SL. So based on your expectation, you can keep your SL and target according to your expectation. So by default, it will be in a small SL and small target. So whichever you want, you can keep it as per your risk appetite. We are not telling you anything to keep. If you don't understand anything, just keep it in default mode and trade. That is enough. So hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please call us at 9500009154 or reach us through WhatsApp on the same number. Our customer executives will be very happy to help you. And if you are not subscribed to Indicator, please subscribe. And every day we are giving some wonderful offer, so you can make use of those offers. Thank you. All the best. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and watch. Please share this video to all your friends.